ever pondered the power of knowledge sharing in law enforcement? Picture the impact when seasoned law enforcement operatives channel their expertise into shaping the next generation of professionals. Welcome to ISOSEC Switzerland, the global leader in further education for law enforcement, security, intelligence, forensics, justice, graphology, and strategic studies. Hear it from our educators themselves. Meet Antonio, a retired officer from Italy who shares, ISOSEC Switzerland opened a new chapter in my life. I can now extend my experience to those eager to serve in law enforcement. It's not just a job, it's a mission. Mireille, a forensic expert from France, echoes this sentiment. Teaching at ISOSEC Switzerland is rewarding. It allows me to pass on my knowledge and contribute to a safer world. And it's not just retirees. Active operatives find value in our platform too, like Carlos from Spain who says, balancing active duty and educating at ISOSEC Switzerland is challenging yet fulfilling. The opportunity to shape future law enforcement professionals is unparalleled. From Brazil, we have Ana, a seasoned intelligence officer. ISOSEC Switzerland allows me to inspire others with my experiences while keeping me updated with current trends in law enforcement. And lastly, from Cyprus, meet Andreas, a justice officer. Through ISOSEC Switzerland, I can influence the future of law enforcement. It's an opportunity I never thought possible. ISOSEC Switzerland is on the lookout for experienced law enforcement operatives like Antonio, Mireille, Carlos, Ana, and Andreas. We invite retirees and active operatives from Italy, France, Spain, Brazil, and Cyprus to teach in their local language. Think about it. Your expertise, your experiences, they hold immense value. Share your knowledge, shape the future of law enforcement, and join the ISOSEC Switzerland family. To get started, simply send your resume to reg@iso-sec.com. In summary, ISOSEC Switzerland offers you the unique opportunity to contribute to a safer, more secure world through the power of education. Harness your experiences, inspire a new generation of law enforcement professionals, and leave a lasting legacy. ISOSEC Switzerland, the future of law enforcement education begins with you.